QuickBooks has been a trusted companion for many small and medium business manufacturers. For years, it has provided essential accounting services, helping businesses keep their financials in check. But let's face it, as your business grows, QuickBooks may start to feel a bit like a pair of shoes that were once a perfect fit but now pinch at every step. It's a common scenario, and it raises an important question. When is it time to move on to a better system? First off, let's talk about growth. If your business is experiencing rapid growth or significant changes in processes, that's a clear sign that you might be outgrowing QuickBooks. Picture this, you've got orders pouring in, customers are demanding faster turnaround times, and your team is scrambling to keep up. QuickBooks might handle the basics, but what about the complexities of inventory management, customer relationship management, or production scheduling? These are crucial components for a manufacturing business, and if you're finding that QuickBooks is struggling to keep pace, it's time to consider other options. Now, you might be asking yourself, what's the alternative? Enter the world of ERP systems. Unlike QuickBooks, which is often seen as a basic accounting tool, ERP systems provide a comprehensive financial solution. They offer features like automated workflows, advanced analytics, and deeper integration across various business areas. Imagine having real-time data at your fingertips, allowing you to make informed decisions quickly. That's the power of an ERP system. It's not just about keeping track of numbers, it's about gaining insights that can help you steer your business in the right direction. But before you dive headfirst into the world of ERP, it's crucial to evaluate your needs. What features are most important for your business? Are you looking for better project management, budgeting tools, or perhaps robust inventory tracking? Take the time to identify what you truly need. This isn't just about upgrading for the sake of it. It's about finding a system that aligns with your current workflow and future goals. Once you know what you need, it's time to research your options. This can feel overwhelming, but it's essential to consider factors like implementation costs, ongoing maintenance, and customer service reviews. You want a system that not only fits your budget, but also has a reputation for reliability and support. Remember, moving from QuickBooks doesn't have to be an all or nothing process. Many businesses start by migrating their most complex operations first. This approach allows you to get comfortable with the new system while still relying on QuickBooks for simpler tasks. It's like dipping your toes in before taking the plunge. Now, let's talk about preparation. Before making the switch to an ERP system, you need to lay the groundwork. Start by assessing your current processes and operations. What works well? What doesn't? This assessment will guide you in selecting a system that truly meets your needs. It's also essential to conduct a cost-benefit analysis. What are the potential risks involved in making the switch? Understanding these factors will help you make a more informed decision. And don't forget about the technical requirements. What software and hardware will you need? Will your team need training to navigate the new system? Having a clear plan in place will set you up for success. Establishing objectives and goals for your ERP system is equally important. This will allow you to track performance and measure success over time. Now, let's dig deeper into some signs that your SMB manufacturing business has outgrown QuickBooks. One major indicator is if your business can't keep up with growing customer demand. If you find yourself struggling to manage inventory, track orders, and monitor production processes in real time, it's a clear signal that you need an upgrade. An ERP system can streamline these processes, allowing you to focus on what matters most, delivering quality products to your customers. Another sign is the lack of visibility into your financials. QuickBooks might give you a basic overview, but if you can't see how much you're spending on supplies or how much each order costs to produce, you're operating in the dark. An ERP system provides a comprehensive view of your financials, enabling you to make informed decisions based on accurate data. Reporting and analysis capabilities are also critical. If you're struggling with generating detailed insights into your business performance, it's time to consider an ERP solution. These systems allow you to generate reports on everything from production costs to inventory levels, giving you a complete picture of your operations. Complexity is another factor. If your manufacturing company has multiple locations or intricate pricing structures, QuickBooks may not be able to handle it. An ERP system is designed to manage complex business models, ensuring that you can operate smoothly across all divisions. Lastly, let's talk about security and compliance. If your business needs to track compliance regulations or keep sensitive information secure, an ERP system offers more robust security features than QuickBooks. You can customize access controls and set up automated logging systems, providing greater control over who has access to what data. In summary, if your SMB manufacturing business is growing rapidly and you find yourself lacking financial visibility, struggling with reporting, grappling with complexity, or in need of better security, it might be time to upgrade to an ERP system. This transition isn't just about keeping up, it's about positioning your business for success in a competitive landscape. QuickBooks has served many businesses well, but as your operations evolve, so too should your systems. Take the time to evaluate your needs, research your options, and prepare for a smooth transition. With the right system in place, you can streamline your manufacturing processes, reduce costs, and ultimately boost your bottom line. Remember, the goal is to find a solution that not only meets your current needs, but also grows with you as your business continues to thrive. The future is bright, and with the right tools, you can ensure that your manufacturing business is ready for whatever comes next.